Hi, today I want to talk to you about one uncommon giveaway strategy that you can use to increase your sales and your brand, the reach of your brand on social media. Now, when it comes to giveaway, we are not new to it. I'm sure you must have come across one form of giveaway or the other on probably Instagram or Facebook, Twitter, as the case may be. So we know how it goes, share with this number of people, subscribe, retweet, repost, all those things, and win this. And after the competition, oh, XYZ won this, DM us. You used to that. But what if there is something you can actually do to tweak it a bit? And because of this small tweaking, you're able to increase your sales and more especially your brand awareness. That's what I want to talk to you about today. Welcome back. My name is Olayemi Akonde from Eaglebloom, and it's all about giving sales strategies and things that you can do to actually improve and increase your brand in the marketplace so that you can make more sales. And today is not an exception. So let's go back to giveaways. Now, for you to use this strategy, first off, it's not for every business. So let's get that out of the way. But if you're going to use this strategy, this is what you need to put in mind. Number one, whatsoever it is that you're giving as gift must be something physical, something that they can collect, or something that they can experience. So if it's a service, it must be something that they can experience. If it's a product, it's something that they can collect, that the winner can collect. Number two, you need just one winner. Just one. You just want to focus on one person, not 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, number three, whosoever it is that's going to be the winner must be someone that can collect it or someone that can experience the service. So, on your terms and conditions, you might want to say is basically for people within a particular geographical location. That's number three. Then number four, from the beginning to the end, there must be experience or VIP around it. So from the name you're going to give to it, you're not just going to say, we're doing monthly giveaway. Maybe you can just coin something like the Star of the Month event, our top Sapphire fan, something to make it look like it's more than what it is. Give it a unique name that speaks VIP or royalty or important, something like that. Then your heart banner, the banner that you're going to put on the social media, must also speak to that. You've seen banners that Oscar event, Grammys. When you create that banner, that when people just see, it says important, it says VIP, it says I need to be the person that wins this. It says spotlight. So your banner also or your image must depict that. Now let's talk about the gift you want to give. You won't just say, let's say you want to give out a pair of shoes. You say, okay, so we are going to give a pair of shoes to whoever wins this. No, we're going to give, if the pair of shoes actually is a name, a top brand name, you're going to give XYZ name brand shoe. If it doesn't have a name, or you want to mention the name, we're going to give this shoe that is made from XYZ material, that is made from this, that is made from XYZ country, that has been worn by XYZ, if it's a celebrity or something that's worn it before. You create importance and glamour around that gift. And if it is experience, maybe you want to treat the winner to a spa session, or the spa session is going to be at XYZ spa with around this beautiful location. Create glamour around the gift, and not just say, oh, we're giving the spa moment, oh, we're going to just give you a gift card. No, talk about it in a way that makes it sound like I have to be the winner, right? I got to be the winner. I have to be on the spotlight. Then another thing is, don't just say DM me. At XYZ at the Lady Olayemi won the contest. DM us to get you. No. The way you're going to talk to VIP is going to be different from the way you're going to talk to people like us that are not VIP. So that's the way you're going to address it, to make it look like it's much more than just that. It's an event, right? You understand? So The most important part is you need to record the process of giving it out. So if you want to give maybe a pair of shoes, instead of just in private communicating with the person and just sending it to the person, and go to the person's place if it is accessible, or look for a place that, even if it's different states, you could get someone to go there on your behalf with a camera or a phone to make it look like you want to cover an event. I mean, if someone knows that they're coming, if they know they're coming to my house to give me this thing and going to record it, I'm gonna just get out of bed in my pajamas and just, yeah, where are you guys? So give it to me. No, I'll dress up. Of course, you also tell them to dress up, look good. Then you record it, like video showing the person collecting it. Maybe let the person say something. Oh, thank you so much. I'm glad I won this month's Star of the Month event. Oh, this page has been, just say something. And if it's something they have to experience, oh, record how they got there. I mean, how you picked them up, got there. Create glamour around it. And that is the point. Not just we're doing giveaway. No, we're doing this event. And this person won it. And this is how we give it out. Now, when that is done, who said all wine is become a star? Okay, last month I was the one that won the Star of the Month on social. You didn't see me, right? They put it on their status, they put it on social media platforms. People started, I mean, what's that? Where were you? I saw your picture, I saw your video. Oh yeah, that's me, right now I'm now a celeb, You need to watch how you talk to me. I've read it. Right. So what you're giving them is not going to matter as much as the experience you're giving them. And that's the purpose of this strategy. You're going to create an experience around that giveaway. Now, because this one takes much more than the generic giveaway. It's not something you might want to be doing every week. It could be something you do every month. It could be something you do quarterly. And if you want it to be grand, you're going to spend a lot. It could be something you're doing once in a year. The choice is yours. But the beauty about this, the important thing about the strategy is the experience you're creating around it. Now imagine you did it this month, and next month, brother, call for our next Star of the Month winner. Excuse me. What do you want us to do? Just because I got to be the one that will win this time. I want you guys to jump. Fine. How high? What do you want us to do? Share with 5 friends. Oh, I'm gonna do you better. I'm gonna share with 20. What else do you want me to do? Retweet? How many accounts? Oh, I'll keep retweeting until Twitter is tired of me retweeting. Now because they know you're not just giving them a gift, you're giving them an experience that makes them feel important, that puts them in the spotlight. And trust me, a lot of people who actually want to be in the spotlight. A lot of people. There's this thing that comes with, I'm the one, I mean, people, how did you do it? What did you do? I really didn't do much, I just did a few things. It actually boosts self-confidence. It boosts value in people. So if you can just tweak your giveaway like this, just try it out and see how it works for you. Right. So that is the strategy. And remember that your terms and conditions must be clearly stated so that people don't get confused on what they're supposed to do before and after they've won the contest. So if you enjoy this, give it a thumbs up, this video, and share with somebody, share with a business owner that might actually benefit from using this strategy. Share with someone or 2 people, as the case may be. Share it, and of course subscribe to this channel, because twice in a week I'm going to be posting videos that relates to sales, that relates to strategies that you can use on social media, online basically, to increase your sales and also bring out your brand more in order for you to also increase sales. Thank you so very much for watching. Drop comments if you have any, and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye.